Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Pedrol. Pedrol is made by Stanley Group of Companies and it has 200 tablets in it. The price for the box is 284 rupees. It contains paracetamol. Paracetamol is a common painkiller used to treat aches and pains. It can be used to reduce a high temperature. It's available combined with other painkillers and anti-sickness medications. It's also an ingredient in a wide range of cold and flu remedies. Paracetamol takes up to an hour to work. The usual dosage of paracetamol is 1 or 2 tablets of 500 milligrams at a time. Do not take paracetamol with other medicines containing paracetamol. Paracetamol is safe to take in pregnancy and while breastfeeding at recommended doses. There are many brands which are offering this drug paracetamol, and one of them is Pedrol. If you have an allergic reaction to paracetamol or any other medications in the past, please check with your doctor or pharmacist. Paracetamol can be taken with or without food. The usual dosage for adults is 1 or 2 tablets, and there has to be at least 4 hours between the doses. Overdosing of paracetamol can cause serious side effects. Do not be tempted to increase the dose or to take a double dose if your pain is bad. This also comes in capsules. This Pedrol is in the form of tablets. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.